The future of agriculture isn't just grown in fields. It's cultivated through innovation, science, and skilled hands. At the Faculty of Agricultural Sciences, SGT University, innovation meets purpose and curiosity becomes discovery. From advanced laboratories and modern research facilities to experimental farms, protected cultivation, and immersive field experiences, students learn by doing, exploring, and innovating. Every experience builds the knowledge, confidence, and perspective to solve real-world agricultural challenges and create lasting impact. Here, education goes beyond textbooks. It becomes research, innovation, entrepreneurship, leadership, and purpose. If you're ready to shape the future of agriculture, your journey begins here. SGT University, growing knowledge, harvesting futures.